Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install WhatsApp on your Mac. Whether you're using macOS Ventura, Monterey, or the latest update, this guide will get you up and running in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to the official WhatsApp website at watsap.com/download. Make sure you always download from the official site to avoid any unsafe files. Click on Download. If you're on an Apple Silicon Mac, the site will automatically detect and give you the right version. The file will start downloading immediately. Once the download is complete, open the .dmg file from your Downloads folder. Now, drag the WhatsApp icon into your Applications folder. That's it. WhatsApp is now installed on your Mac. Go ahead and launch WhatsApp from Applications. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, then Link Devices, and scan the QR code. This links your phone's WhatsApp account with your Mac, so you can send and receive messages directly on your desktop. And that's how easy it is to download and install WhatsApp on a Mac. Now you can chat, share files, and stay connected without picking up your phone every time. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick IT tutorials right here on 1 Minute IT Shot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.